Hey guys, this is Nick with Adrenaline Cycles. Today we're going to go over safety harnesses. I know when everybody would buy a new side-by-side, we're really enthusiastic, ready to buy all those extra accessories, but the first thing we should concentrate on is safety. We're going to go over a few options, what we recommend here at the shop on some of the Can-Ams. First, right here we have a stock X3. You can see, for example, the stock seat belt, and this is the same. This thing's going to pretty much apply to any side-by-side. Will come with this seat belt lap, just goes across your lap. One belt across your chest. I mean, it's adequate, I guess, but some of us guys like to get a little crazy in them. You want to go rolling over. This ain't what I want to count on holding me in. So we'll move on to some of the other buggies, show you some options, what comes factory, how you can put that in your buggy, some aftermarket ones that are bolt in, and some accessories you'll need to go with it. All right, guys. This is one of the KMX Harnesses. These come factory actually with the retractable harnesses. You can see these are a nice 4-point setup. Once you latch into these, you're protected from both shoulders are strapped in. You have a buckle in the middle to keep it. These things will latch. You're not coming out of these. A lot of people love these. The reason being, if you got to lean forward in your side-by-side to see over the front end, a rock, what's coming, you can do that without unbuckling. You don't have to remember to rebuckle. It gives you all the comfort, best of both worlds. Moving on back. These, we sell tons of these. These are PRP's 2-inch padded harnesses. These have a car buckle type style buckle. No fumbling around trying to latch 3 pieces and then get it no different in your car. Some accessories we like to use with these. Okay, anytime you got your factory harness, it's going to have a limiter when it ain't hooked up. When you get them, get one of these little plugs. It'll bypass the limiter, allow you to install your harness and don't have to worry about that. Another accessory we like to install with these come, they'll bolt right into your factory bolts. Go the tops. You can, if you have a harness bar in the back that don't have a bolt, you can wrap it around it, buckle back up. The X3s have a place to buckle them. Or the X3s have a spot where you can actually bolt them. I prefer putting the snap clips on them. You bolt this in the back, this to your harness. It's as easy as snapping them in. That way when you get ready to take your seat out, no problem. Unlatch them, everything comes out like normal, quick and easy. Okay guys, here's the PRP harnesses installed in the buggy. Anytime you use these, make sure they're tightened down for that particular rider. I know sometimes we may change passengers, the kid may be in there. Make sure it's snugged up on them. You have a chest buckle. Obviously, look at these. You can't go anywhere. You're well protected, staying in your seat. You're ready to ride now. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll catch you at the next video.